One, two. Now, go wipe your tears, be a woman while you acting surprised. You saw the bullshit coming, fake hair, fake nails, fake eyes too. So why you bound to fuck with fake guys too? Ain't nothing hard about it. Why you looking sad? Should've thought about it. Say you learned, I truly doubt it. I guess you got a problem with affection, kinda loose with the love. Getting freaky with the thug niggas up in the club. Asked to buy you a drink, you holla Dom Perignon. Knowing I'm a cash getter, still I remain calm. Let you chill with me. Plus you was smiling till the bill miss me. That's what you get for trying to dick me. Miss me with that bomby this, bomby that syndrome shit. Bitch, get a job if you wanna be rich. Get mad cause I cursed and I scream I hate you. Introduce you to a nigga nature. Feel me?
Why cry? Knowing that's a nigga's nature. Why cry when he do you that way?
I'm probably too nice at first. I let you kiss me where it hurts. Me and you getting busy slinging dick in the dirt. Met you at a pool party, it was cool to kick it. See us tongue kissing, you was truly with it. Little ecstasy, Hennessy mixed with me. Picture me, pay for pussy when the dick's for free. Hey now, where my niggas at? Tell these hoes before I pay, I jerk off word to Moses. Visions of you sitting there sweaty and wet, pointing to the places that you want me to hit. Give me room all up in the womb, call the cops, nigga. Hitting walls till them bastards drop. Label me Machiavelli thug, nigga with pipe. Living life like a rock star Friday night. Make money, get pussy, always keep a page. A cell phone in the ride to complete my nature now.
Why cry? Knowing that's a nigga's nature. Why cry when he do you that way?
Started as a seed from the semen, straight out of Baba's nuts, lusting for creaming. Bitches with big butts, curves make a nigga cry, tits and shit. When I'm locked down, begging you for porno flicks. Sneak weed in, help a nigga pass the time. Put my name tattooed so that ass is mine. Tell everybody pop, put it down for good. A local legend through the whole hood. Follow me, I got a gun on me, going for none on the run, baby. You know a nigga needs some, it's my son crazy, why I cry when I be thugging till I die. Picture a nigga in heaven, high off weed, I fly. Got me missing dead homies, wishing phonies that die. Hit the weed and hope it get me high. See God, understand my ways, living major, blessed with a thug's heart in a real live nigga nature.
Why cry? Knowing that's the nigga's nature. Why cry when he do you that way?
Hey, this be a nigga nation.
Why cry? Knowing that's the nigga's nature.